Google doesn't give you a single button to sign out of every device at once, no matter what you've read. But there is a way to clear them all in about a minute, and one trick that really does log out everything in one move. Here's how.
If you'd rather find it the long way, open Gmail. Tap your profile picture in the top right. At the top, tap Manage your Google account. Then, tap the Security and Sign In tab. Now, scroll all the way down until you see a section labeled Manage All Devices. Tap that. Either way, you land on the same screen. Every phone, tablet, and computer your account is signed into, with its name, location, and when it was last active.
Now here's the part nobody tells you. There's no Sign Out of All button. You do them one at a time. Tap the first device, check the details to make sure it's really one you want to sign out of, then tap Sign Out. A box will pop up asking you to confirm. Tap Sign Out again. Repeat that for each device on the list. It takes a few seconds each, and when you're done, your account is signed out everywhere you chose.
Now here is the genie tip. Want to log out of absolutely everything in one move, no tapping device by device? Change your Google password. The second you set a new one, Google force signs out every session on every device at once because they all need the new password to get back in. It's the real all at once button Google never labels as one. Use it if you've lost the phone or think someone's in your account. That's it. That's how to sign out of Google on all devices at once. If this helped, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one.